Hello, my friend. Welcome to my English podcast. This is a very easy English podcast for beginners. Today we talk about a film. The film is called Finding Nemo. It is a cartoon from the United States. The film is from 2003. Finding Nemo is a family cartoon. The story is about fish in the ocean. A father looks for his son. He meets many friends on the way. The main character is Marlin. He is a small fish. He lives in the ocean with his son Nemo. Nemo is very small and curious. One day, Nemo swims near a boat. A man catches him. He takes Nemo to a dentist's office. Nemo is in a fish tank. Marlin is very afraid. He wants to save his son. He swims into the big ocean. On the way, he meets Dory. Dory is a blue fish. She is very kind, but she forgets many things. Together they go to Sydney. They meet sharks, jellyfish, and turtles. They have many adventures. Marlin learns to be brave. He trusts Dory and other friends. In the dentist's office, Nemo makes a plan. He wants to escape from the tank. He works with other fish. At last, he goes back to the ocean. Marlin and Dory come to Sydney. They find Nemo. They are very happy. Marlin understands Nemo is not a small baby. He is a brave fish. In the end, they go home together. Nemo goes to school. Marlin is proud of his son. I like this film because it is funny and warm. The ocean is very beautiful. The story is about love, fear, and trust. It is a good film for family. Today we learned some words. Fish, father, son, ocean, friend, shark, turtle, boat, home, brave. Thank you for listening to my English podcast. Bye. See you next time.